This day is called the Feast of Crispin. He that outlives this day and comes safe home will stand a tiptoe when the day is named, and rouse him at the name of Crispin. He that shall live this day and see old age will yearly, on the vigil, feast his neighbors and say, tomorrow is Saint Crispin. Then will he strip his sleeves and show his scars, and say, these wounds I had on Crispin's day. Old men forget, yet all shall be forgot. But he'll remember with advantages what feats he did that day. Then shall our names, familiar in his mouth as household words, Harry the King, Bedford and Exeter, Warwick and Talbot, Salisbury and Gloucester, be in their flowing cups freshly remembered. This day shall the good man teach us song, and Crispin shall ne'er go by, from this day to the ending of the world, but we in it shall be remembered. We few, we happy few, we band of brothers. For he that shall shed his blood with me shall be my brother. Be he ne'er so vile, this day shall gentle his condition. And gentlemen in England now abed shall think themselves accursed they were not here, and hold their manhoods cheap, whilst any speaks who fought with us upon St. Crispin's Day!
Yeah! Yay!
The song is called Crashing Down, and it's written by Michael Lyons.
Crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. 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 Crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. 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 Crashing down, 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 crashing down,
Down, down, down, down, down, down, down, down, down, down, down, down, down, down, crashing down. Oh, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Man, that was a beautiful song. Hey, thanks, buddy. Boozhoo, Gakin. Oh, it's on loop. Look out. A snowstorm. Okay, hey, Boozhoo. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the live stream podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Huh, sweetie? You tell him, baby doll. I will tell him. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and very talented Natasha. Ikadon Boozhoo ni weenie mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart. Hello, my sweetheart. Man, that cracks me up every time. And today is Ojibwe phrase of the day. Sweetie, have I told you lately that GI-MIIKAWAADIZI? Ah, sweetie, miigwech. You are beautiful. You are beautiful, sweetie. GI-MIIKAWAADIZI. Oh, I just look at you in my heart. I have to say, be still in my beating heart. Get out of here. You, GI-MIIKAWAADIZI, are beautiful. You are beautiful. You know who I don't think is very beautiful? Who's that? Jada Pinkett Smith. Really? Yeah. She's all over the news again. What'd she do this time? Well, number one, she has hair. So that whole kerfuffle about, Chris Rock getting all slapped up for making fun of her alopecia. Yeah, that's right. I thought she couldn't grow hair because she had alopecia of the skull. Yeah, no. She's got hair. Now she's grown it back into this gray buzz cut or something. She's so ugly. I don't know why. Well, it turns out that it was a sham marriage with the Fresh Prince. Yeah. They haven't been living together since like 2016. And I asked myself, I'm not sure how this is going to work. I asked myself, why is Jada Pinkett Smith famous? Well, because she married Will Smith. Yeah, but so what? I mean, somebody married Sylvester Stallone and nobody ever... It wasn't like that gave her a career. Yeah. So let's check out Jada Pinkett Smith on the internet. Today, this is NANABOOZHOO watches the internet. Because I have to learn about things. See, there she is. Jada Pinkett Smith with the happy family. You can buy Jada Pinkett Smith royalty-free stock photos. No, thank you. Jada Pinkett Smith says Chris Rock asked her out on a date. I doubt it. Amid previous Will Smith divorce reports. All right. Excuse me a minute. Okay, I'm not saying Chris Rock is like the most handsome guy in the world, but he's not. He's nothing, whatever. He's still Chris Rock. Yeah. He's a multi-millionaire, famous, Pretty handsome guy, not overweight. He can get any girl he wants. He doesn't need to be asking out 52-year-old cue ball. Or 8 ball, I should say. Yeah. If she had a white head, maybe. But, you know, and she's just always so smug looking. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Oh, wow. This is Lonnie Anderson today. Oh, no. Who's Lonnie Anderson? I don't think I want to scare the kids. Here we go. Jada Pinkett Smith. I was separated from Will Smith for 6 years before the Oscar slap. Well, okay. Now I don't know what to think. I don't know what to believe in anymore. Yeah. Are you telling me all this time, all the emotional energy I put into the Jada Pinkett Smith family? How come she kept the name Pinkett? Because they're showbiz. Yeah. The Pinkett Smith home. I don't know. I guess it's just so hard to believe in anything anymore. Except for Bigfoot. And Gwen Carly. Oh, is Gwen here? Yep. Hey, bonjour, Gwen. What's going on, Gwen? I believe in Gwen. You can always count on Gwen. Yep. Can we get her a gold star for being first in class? You got it. Jim Dunn's here too. Oh, hey, Jim. What's going on? Bonjour, Jim. Nice to see you. And a silver star next to Jim's name. Gold and silver medal winners. All right. So, hey, sweetie. Yeah? Got a call on line 2. Line 2? You got to be kidding me. Who could this be? Caller. Welcome to Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Well, hello, love. It's me, it's the Queen Mum it is. I'm calling from heaven, I am. Hey, Queen of England. Sweetie, it's the old dead Queen of England calling from heaven. Well, bonjour, Queen. Oh, hello, love. I'm NANABOOZHOO. I want to know what the Ojibwe word of the day it is, as it were. Oh, you want to know the Ojibwe phrase of the day? Yes, what's the Ojibwe phrase of the day? Funny you should ask. Speaking of beauties, you are beautiful. GI-MIIKAWAADIZI. Well, GI-MIIKAWAADIZI. You are beautiful then, eh? Yep. Oh, it's quite the phrase, isn't it? Yes. And let me tell you, Queen, I think GI-MIIKAWAADIZI. You are beautiful. Oh, that's all rubbish. You lie, you're right. You lie right to my face. Right to my face. I'm not beautiful. I'm an old, wrinkled crone of a woman. I mean, look at me hair. It's all. What is that? I don't know. It's a gray perm. Oh, it's not beautiful. I'll tell you that much. No, but I mean inside. Who you are as a person is beautiful. MIIKAWAADIZI. Oh, that's a bunch of rubbish, eh? Well, I know what makes me beautiful. I don't know. I'm just trying to be nice because you're my elder. You're probably not that beautiful. I suppose. How does one say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, we don't really say goodbye, Queen. We say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Well, Gigawabamin, Minawa. And it was lovely of you to call me beautiful. I was a lie. Okay, Gigawabamin. Minawa, Queen. Say hi to Bowie for me. Oh, he's a lovely lad, David Bowie. Come on for a spot a day, you did. Yeah, I know. He hangs out with you. Tell him I said hi. I'll do that, love. Oh, Gigawabamin, Minawa. Ah, the Queen. Yeah, she wants to learn some Ojibwe even though she's in heaven. Well, you're never too old to learn. That's right, sweetie. You're never too old to learn. And this has been. So what else is going on in the world today besides being lied to from the Pinkett Smiths I don't know. Unrest in the Middle East? Yep, unrest in the Middle East. I don't hardly pay attention to it because I've given up believing anything I see from the mainstream media. Yeah, you know. And I don't even understand any of it. Like, oh no, here comes some flying terrorists. What is this, Mad Max? Yeah, did you see that? I know. They come parasailing into a U2 concert or something. In the name of love. What? Oh, look out. Here come the terrorists. But, I don't know. How you guys doing? It's nice and peaceful in Bemidji. Yeah. You know, nothing ever happens here. Except somebody stole my bike. Yeah. If you'd like to learn more Ojibwe language and phrases, words and phrases, why don't you check out our book, Ojibwe Words and Phrases, in the links in the description to Michael Lyons' Amazon.com page. And how come these books are behind me? I don't know. Ojibwe. A collection of cartoons and not nearly as popular as Jada Pinkett Smith's children's book, Ojibwe by Michael Lyons. Cartoons and the little cutie teddy bear's Vision Quest story. What are you talking about? Jada Pinkett Smith is a New York Times best-selling author of her children's book, Girls Hold Up the World, or something like that. Really? Yeah. New York Times best-selling children's book author. Did she illustrate it too? I don't know. But I mean, that's your competition there. Yeah. Jada Pinkett Smith's a children's book author. So is Madonna. Madonna's a children's book author too? Yep. Oh, brother. I don't know, man. Sometimes maybe I should go out and pray on it. Want to go outside? Yeah, can you teleport me outside? I'm going to put out my tobacco and talk to the creator. Okay. I'm going to step outside. You guys want to come with? All right, hang on. And that's one. Whoop. My finger just slipped on the button. Make it so. Thanks. What happened? Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Woo! Hey, sweetie. Hey, sorry. My finger slipped when I was going to say the thing, and I accidentally teleported you. That's okay. I got out here okay. Well, give me a call when you want me to pick you up. Roger that. Okay. Over and out. Hey, bonjour, b'nai shiyag. Hello, birds. I'll pull out a little tobacco. Sema. Tapana niwea sema getchimanado. Accept my tobacco, Great Spirit. I like to offer tobacco when I pray. That's what you're supposed to do when you go speak to an elder. Give him some tobacco. Well, who's older than God? Bonjour, getchimanado. Hello, Great Spirit. Bonjour, getchimanado. Thank you for my life. Can you guys even read that text? Probably not. Let me see if I can do something about that. Excuse me. Properties. There we go. Hello, Great Spirit. Bonjour, getchimanado. Thank you for my life. Miigwech GI-MIIKAWAADIZI. Help me to heal my sadness We do go wishing. Gogage. Ni we gosh kindamoan. Thank you. Me quach. Amen. Not being gay. Do you pray? I mean, really pray? It's not really a prayer when you say, when you stub your toe and you go, God damn it. That's not a real prayer. You're not asking your Creator to damn your toe or the edge of the bed or whatever. That makes no sense. But do you ever get humble? Get on your knees, put your head down, talk to the Creator, talk to the Great Spirit. Got a lot of names, that one. Yahweh, Jehovah. What do the Dakota call Gitchimanadu? Wonkin Tonkin or something like that? I mean, it's weird we don't know. So much mystery around everything. Even Jesus' name. You ever wonder why Jesus had a Puerto Rican name? No, it's Jesus. It's a different... But then the last couple of years, people have been coming out. No, it's not even Jesus. It's Yeshua. What? Never heard of that kind of name. Yeshua. I've heard of Joshua. Yeshua. Well, how do you know? Who told you? A lot of people think of God as a father. Nusana wakwing Abian. Our Father in heaven. That's what they like to think. Oh, my dad in heaven. It's going to be okay, my Father. He's the Father. I've never really thought of him as a father. I think of him as the Creator. I think of him as the greatest artist you could possibly imagine in every way. You just look at a single tree. And it's hard to even look at a single tree, right? When an artist paints a painting, you don't just look at one little brush stroke and go, okay, wow, that guy was great. Well, that's what we do with God. Go look at a leaf and go, wow, what an amazing design. You can see the whole tree in a leaf, and the leaf changes color as the year goes by. It'll leave the tree and float and fly and nestle and create beauty, even in death. But then you back up and you go, oh, wow. God created the forest to look a certain way and to act and to sound a certain way. And He gave it, the ability to feed birds and animals, so that would add to the music and the vibe of being in the woods. Then He created the clouds and rain so that He could change, He could make it rain sometimes, and it would make stuff grow, but it also clean off the dust. And just keep backing up, and there's how many layers of consideration this artist put into creating where we live. And how you just can't, the greatest cartoon I'll ever draw won't even compare to a single, just to look at a cloud in the sky on any day of the week. You can't compare that with a cartoon. Come on, that's ridiculous. I mean, you can compare it, but that's just how great God is. But we're also his creation. He also designed us to look this way, to act this way, to sound this way, and to sing this way, and to grow a certain way, and to look a certain... we're part of his picture. He actually put us in the artwork. I'm the main focus of this little artwork right here called creation. Getting deep, birds. Getting deep, B'nai Shiag. That's why I pray sometimes. I just gotta talk to him. I thank him mostly. I just thank him for what he did. I didn't ask him, I guess. I don't think I asked him. But I appreciate it. And that's what humility is. Dabadain dizzy win. Dabadain dizzy win. I think that's humility. In the Anishinaabe culture, they talk about it's really important to be humble. You must always be humble. The grandfather teachings. Pride is not one of the 7 Anishinaabe values. And some people get it mixed up. They think, I shouldn't be prideful. So I'm just going to sulk around, not thinking well of myself. That's not it. You can think of yourself as God's greatest creation. But you can't strut around like you're the greatest thing. You are humble. You are the center of the greatest thing's little artwork. But you were created, You have to get humble and understand that you are a simple, pitiful creation of GI-MIIKAWAADIZI. And he loves you, but it's not our way to strut around taking credit for anything. We didn't build this place. I never invented a tree. Hey, John Redcorn's here. Bonjour, John. How you doing? I'll have to tell Natasha to give you a bronze star. Anyway. Okay, B'nai Shiag. I gotta go back. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it short today. Yeah, sure. No, I'll be back tomorrow. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minoa. Yeah, that's good. The birds are learning Ojibwe too. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Bonjour. Hey, baby doll. Hi, NANABOOZHOO. You ready to come in? Yeah. Okay, hang on. Let me lock in on your coordinates. Okay. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. There he is. Hi. Welcome home. Thank you so much. Did you put out your tobacco? Yeah, it's a little prayer and then started talking about humility. Dabadain dizzy win. Is it that Dabadain dizzy win? Yep. Hey, John Redcorn just gave us a 5 spot. Sweet. Hey, miigwech, John. Got a super chat. We're in the money. I'm feeling sunny. Miigwech ga Junia. Junia. Thank you for the money, Niji. Really appreciate it. Yeah. What do you think, sweetie? You want to get up here? Well, I could. I can't remember what we had taped under this one. Well, I guess we'll find out. Up next, the lovely and talented Natasha. But first... But that ain't getting us nowhere. The snow is really piling up outside. I wish you wouldn't make me leave here. Nah. I poured it on and I poured it out. I tried to show you just how much I cared. I'm tired of words and I'm too hoarse to shout. But you've been cold to me so long, I'm crying icicles instead of tears. And all I can do is keep on telling you. Okay, hey, Boozhoo! And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. Over here.
Over here.
The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon Boozhoo ni weenie mushane. Say hello, sweetheart.
Hello, sweetheart.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Bushkote Jibik. Sage. Bushkote Jibik. And Dush. Nukwejigan. Nukwejigan, sweetie.
Yeah.
Bushkote Jibik. Sage. Bushkote Jibik. And sometimes people get these words mixed up.
Yeah,
They'll say, hey man, do you have any smudge? I'll be like, well, I got some sage. If you'd like to smudge, I will give you some sage, but you're going to need to set it on fire. Sweetie, will you set this on fire?
Sure.
Oh, what? And then nukwejigan. Smudge. When it's smoking like this, it's called smudge. Bushkote Jibik, sage, nukwejigan, smudge. And this has been the Ojibwe word of the day. Words of the day. You want to add anything, sweetie?
No, that's pretty good.
Okay. In that case, miigwech bizendawi egg. Thank you for listening to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO.
I'm Natasha.
And I will see you again. Gigawaaba min.
Minawa.
Hola.
Oh.
Remember that song we wrote? You mean Bushkote Jibik, Bushkote Jibik, Nukwejigan, Nukwejigan, Bushkote Jibik. I don't think that was the only song where we had just two words and it was just chanting it over and over again. Bushkote Jibik, Nukwejigan. Hey everybody. Bushkote Jibik, sage, Nukwejigan, smudge. I think it's interesting that Bushkote Jibik sounds like mushkow. I always think of mushkowazi. But when you think of the word Bushkote Jibik, yeah. Mushkowazi, mushkow. Maybe it's because the song's the same. Yeah. Baby, can't you feel my mushkowazi, mushkowazi. Anyways. So, what's going on? How you doing, Michael? I'm doing great. You are so beautiful. Couldn't get out of here. No, I mean it. You shaved today? You took a shower? Oh, you're just... If I weren't spoken for... No. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. You are beautiful. GI-MIIKAWAADIZI. GI-MIIKAWAADIZI. This is a good first line if you want to snag at a powwow. I'm giving dating advice now. Okay. Today's Auntie Natasha's wisdom. Auntie Natasha's moment of Nibwakawin wisdom is how to get a good girl. How to snag a little a MiikawaaDIZI at a powwow. How to get a beautiful woman to fall in love with you. Number 1, get her good and drunk. Hey, no, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. What do you do if you want? Number 1, how do you find a good girl? You know, it doesn't take a rocket scientist, no. To know that if you're going to places where good girls don't hang out, and you keep on picking up the same wrong kind of woman, you're looking for love in all the wrong places. I mean, it's like, what'd you expect? Who'd you expect you were going to meet at closing time at 1 in the morning on a Wednesday? You know, you're going to meet another low-life alcoholic like yourself. So people kind of pick up people who are on their level. You know, you don't often see a really handsome guy. Although our neighbor, have you seen them? Yeah, I know. That guy, he looks great. He looks like he was like a retired athlete or something. And his wife, she's huge. So once in a while, you see a handsome dude with just you know, Jabba the Hutt. But most of the time, you kind of get who you are, a reflection of yourself. So if you want to meet a nice girl, if you're ready for a serious relationship, and you want to meet somebody who's not going to be trouble, first of all, you have to straighten up. Quit going to the bars. You want to meet a nice traditional woman, you got to go where traditional women go. I'm taking Amish territory. Yeah, you don't go to Ohio or wherever the Amish live. Up here, it's the Mennonites. They're hiding in Bagley or somewhere in the backwoods of rural Minnesota. You want a nice traditional girl, wears a skirt, cooks and cleans, isn't all into like gangster rap and OnlyFans. You gotta go to Amish country. Go meet a nice girl who knows how to make, cornbread. You know, Indian men are always like, oh, I gotta find me a traditional woman. I'm gonna go down to the casino. So yeah, okay, good luck with that. Gonna go find a traditional woman. I went into the res bar, find me a traditional woman. No, she's not there. She's taking care of her grandma or her mom. And a truly traditional woman, like a chaste woman. I'm not saying traditional like since the 1960s. Oh, she's traditional. She's got 5 kids from 5 different dads and she's living with her grandma. No, that's not traditional. If you're over 25, it's too late. This is advice for young people. You want to meet a traditional girl? You got to meet a girl who lives traditional values. That means she's, number one, she's going to get married really young, right? Because she wants to start a family. And she's going to want to build a home. She's going to want, to be a mom and a wife and a cook and a teacher and a seamstress and a gardener and a pet owner. I mean, all that stuff is traditional. You know, getting on TikTok, that's not traditional. That's not part of the Anishinaabe tradition. You know? Oh, I'm a social media influencer. I'm so traditional. No, I don't think so. Anyway, these have just been a few of my... So, you get what you deserve. How about that? If you're a scumbag, you're going to attract scumbags. So, whatever you're looking for, you've got to become the male version of the female you want to meet. Ladies, I don't know what to tell you. I guess I only have advice for men. Because number one, ladies, you shouldn't be hunting anyway. You should be playing defense. What do you mean? You know, she has to be discerning, swiping left too on guys. It's the guys who kind of have to pursue women. That's the traditional way. Yeah. And this has been your Auntie Natasha's moment of Nibwakawin. Wisdom. Nibwakawin. To learn more about traditional Anishinaabe values, I just watch Dances with Wolves over and over again. Yeah. Anyway, Michael, you want to add anything? No, that's good. How about you, sugar lips? Get out of here. Hey, everybody. Just want to say, miigwech. Thank you. Thank you for watching Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. This over here is the one and only NANABOOZHOO. Okay, hey, miigwech. And over here, rockstar cartoonist Michael Lyons. Thanks a lot, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. And I will see you again. GI-MIIKAWAADIZI. Give us a thumbs up if you like the show. Hit the subscribe button. And, yeah, miigwech. All right, fellas, good job. All right, and live stream.